Okay, the plan for this job is cut this piece of old concrete out and dig it up and lay some new thicker stuff so that we can put a 2-post lift in. So we're going to go from here to this piece of wood here, which is roughly 4 meters by 3.7. We'll leave this because this is probably okay and it's not going to be where the lift is anyway. So we're going to run the saw up there, down that one, get the digger in, break it out, backfill with stones, and then get some new concrete in. We'll probably have to lift this side up a wee bit because it's going to, I'd say there's a slope on that floor. So this side's going to be raised up slightly. We'll need to build a bit of shuttering around that before the concrete goes in. That's all the stones in and whacked down, ready for the concrete, which is coming right now. About a month later now, exactly a month later from we poured this. So it's cured and has had one coat of paint on it. We're gonna put the car lift on here. But I think that looks really good. So that is the next job. There's a 2-post lift going on here with the bar that goes across the top. So let's get that off the trailer and get it bolted down. That's 334. That zooms in. And this side is 336. So that's not bad. 2 mil on that across 4 meters by eye when we do the concrete. Mark the center line from the edge, so 2 meters to here and 2 meters to the middle, and then we've done a wee grid here for the base of each upright, which is the same as that. So we're going to bring this one in. That's the one that has the electric box bracket on, so we're going to bring that in, stand it up there, and then we'll bring that one in, stand it up here, and get our measurements perfect. Shouldn't even want the front tip to look at it, geometry. Pops.
Nice. We're not far off the grid there either.
This is the corner, isn't it?
Yep.
Why is it a line?
There's a blue line just.
Did we not chop it up in square? Yeah, I got them within 1 millimeter of what they should be. So there's a measurement from this bolt to the bolt on the other side, and that's exactly 2.9 meters, and exactly the same on the other side as well, so we know they're parallel. So we've got 16 of these M20 bolts to put in, and we'll get them drilled, and then we can add a few shims to get these sitting perfectly plumb. And then it's quite important on this one because there's a bar goes across the top that joins in and runs hoses and stuff, so that needs to be exactly right. This does need to happen anyway. Don't take it down. Back from off. Alright, here's where we're at with this now. We sort of ran out of time, but we've got these posts in, bolted down, they're all shimmed. Posts are level, plumb. Got across the top done, there's the limit bars in, all the hoses are in, the wires are in for the switches. There's a limit switch up there, and there's a limit switch in here. They're done. Got the power lead in, motors wired up, while all the wires are in here. Hydraulic hoses are on, so really all we have to do is fit the arms and test it. So this hasn't been turned on yet. So let's see. Does it work? Lights up anyway. Up. Chain's moving. It works. Yeah. Not sure what's going on there. Oh, that's off the top of the. Has that come off the roller? No. That's not right at all. Oh, that cylinder's actually not got oil in it. That's what's wrong. So it's actually the cables pulling that other one up. See the cylinder head now? See?
Yep.
So this is still full of air, and it needs to go up to take the tension of this chain. So if you keep your hand to that, just so it doesn't drop out, and I'll just keep going. It's probably choosing to put the oil to that one first. limits which works. Starting to look like a lift now.
Aye.
The boot locking.
It's just because the lift's right to the ground.
Yeah, buddy.
Sweet.
Okay. First lift. Somebody else's yoke. Oh. Over here, Ethan.
Good to go.
Yeah, boy. Oh, you're gonna hit the top! Keep going. Is that up full?
That was it up to its max position, and then I've just lowered it onto the safety thing. Can walk in underneath it.
So the main reason that this lift's different is that there's no bar along the bottom. So all the umbilical stuff goes along the top, and it's an extra high one, so you can actually lift a high roof. A Vico Daily or something along those lines on that lift.
Yeah, it will be.
Where'd you do that up then? You were showing that.
Done two up here and the rest around this time.
Alright, that's that job done then. Lift works good. Concrete obviously is good because it's still here. So hope you enjoyed that one, and we'll see you on the next one.